Hello everyone and welcome for today's session. In last two session we were discussing about the two markets of major markets in India, that is OTCEI, over the counter exchange of India, and NSE, National Stock Exchange. Now today we will discuss about BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange was established in the year of 1875, and it is the oldest and the first stock exchange in Asia. At present, the BSE is the 11th largest market based on market capitalization in the world. At a time when the BSE was established, its name was the Native Shares and Brokers Association. Later on, the name was changed and it is now known as Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange, the Sensex is the benchmark index of BSE, and it is made up with the top 30 companies trading in BSE. The Sensex is nothing but a group of company. A group of company, that is 30 companies, are taken as a base for creation of Sensex. The 30 companies are selected on the basis of their performance and market capitalization in Bombay BSE. On that basis, a group is formulated. In this group, 30 companies are there, and the group of this 30 company is known as Sensex, and it is very well famous all around the world, as well as in India also. Generally, the transaction in BSE now are also done with an electronic trading system, that is computerized trading system. But previously the BSE has the physical trading system where the rings are made and the brokers are standing in the rings, and buying and selling has been done physically. It means a broker or an investor who want to buy or sell the shares need to personally go to BSE to purchase and sell the shares. Anyways, now the trading is done through electronic trading system, and investors can directly place their orders to buy or sell the security online in BSE, in Bombay Stock Exchange, online through Bolt system. Bolt is a system developed by Bombay Stock Exchange. It means Bombay Online Trading Platform. Online trading platform of BSE is known as Bolt. The transactions which are made in BSE are through T+2 rolling settlement system. It means if any person has made a transaction on Monday, then in other 2 days the transaction is been settled. So the trading day plus the other 2 days, the transaction is settled, means the buyer will receive the security and the seller will receive the amount of money. This settlement is done in T plus 2 days. The trading of a company listed in BSE can be done either directly or indirectly. An investor can directly invest, can directly trade in BSE, or indirectly, that is through brokers or sub brokers. Generally, retail customers can invest and make transaction through certified stock brokers. These stock brokers need to be registered with the BSE, and they should be approved by SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India. The SEBI is the regulatory body of all type of stock exchange players. Generally, the individuals, those who want to invest in share market, specifically BSE, they must have demat account. through which their financial transaction take place, and the investors will receive the virtual ownership of the stocks that they buy. Now, demat account is, it means, demat is a short form. Its full form is dematerialized account. Dematerialized account, it means here in demat account the shares are transferred through computer entry only, whereas the investor will not get any type of physical copy of share certificate. Previously, the shares, buying and selling of shares has been done through physical. It means if you purchase a share, then you will receive a physical copy of equity shares. While now the physical copy are not allowed, and if any investors want to trade, they compulsorily need to have a demat account. In this account only the shares are credited and debited through computerized entry. It means if I have purchased 100 shares of, say, ABC Company Limited, then I will not receive 100 shares in physical copy on paper in my at my home, but the shares will be transferred through a computer entry in my demat account, and uh, after a specific time a statement will generate which will show what number of shares, which company shares, and what number of shares are there in my demat account. It is same like bank account. We have a bank account. If I go and deposit 10,000 rupees, then they don't have any specific box in my name and they will put 10,000 rupees in my account, etc. They will put all the money all together in currency chest, and just they will do a computerized entry. In the similar way, the demat accounts operate. So to trade on BSE, every retail individual customer need to have demat account, and all type of transaction, that is buying and selling of securities, will take place through this demat account, and the investor get the virtual ownership of the shares that they buy. And in case if they sell the shares will be deducted through the computer entry only, and the seller did not have to submit a physical copy of shares. Generally, BSE allows the trading of equity, debt segment, that is debt instrument, like debentures, preference shares, etc., and government securities also. So apart from NSE specifically allows the trading in derivatives, while the BSE do not allow the trading in derivatives. Other all segments are also traded in BSE like NSE only. Apart from the Sensex is the short form. The full form of Sensex is sensitivity index, the index which is sensitive on the basis of price. Apart from the benchmark index of BSE, that is Sensex, there are other certain index also, that is S&P, Standard and Poor, BSE Auto, in which all the companies which are relevant, which are in the business of automobile sector, are traded. S&P BSE BankX, in which all the bank companies are traded. S&P BSE Capital Goods, in which all the companies which are involved in capital goods, heavy goods business. Likewise S&P BSE FMCG, etc. So all the companies which are which are having their equity share traded in market are divided in different groups on the basis of their nature of the business, and those groups are nothing but the index. So that is all about today's session, and BSE Have a nice day. Goodbye.